Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Start menu is very slow to open on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the File Explorer. And how would you do that? To restart the File Explorer, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Okay, wait for it to load. Right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. The next solution is to update Windows. And how would you do that? Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab, click on Check for Updates. Okay, and the last solution will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.